Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. I'm going to continue with the Mustang build. These are a bunch of little miscellaneous parts of the Mustang. So let's continue. Guys, if you're not following the Mustang build, you're missing out. So subscribe and go to the beginning. I'm going to leave a video link to this beginning of this build so that you can start watching it. Alright guys, so let's just continue. I've received several emails stating that asking as to how much paint do I need to paint a car. Well guys, that's a little difficult to answer. Reason being is that all the cars are different. Some are small, some are big. You got pickup trucks. It all depends if you're going to paint the inside. There's a lot of variables that are going to determine how much paint you need. If you're going to change the color completely, let's say the vehicle is white and you want to change it to black, you're going to need a lot more paint. Reason being, you got to paint the door jambs, you got to paint under the trunk, under the hood. If it's a pickup truck, you're probably going to be painting the inside of the bed. So you're going to need a lot more paint. If you're going to change the color of a vehicle, you're going to need a lot more paint. Now, if you're going to leave it the same color, listen to this. If you're going to leave it the same color, you're not going to need it as much. Reason being, you don't have to paint the door jambs. You don't have to paint the inside of the bed. You don't have to paint the trunk. You don't have to paint the hood. All those little variables you gotta look out for. Okay, let's just say that you're going to change the color completely of the car to a totally different color. How much paint do I need? Like this Mustang, it's a totally complete color change. How much paint did I buy? I bought a gallon and 1 quart. Okay? I know that this gallon's gonna give me a gallon and a half of paint, which I know it's gonna cover. I know it's gonna cover inside and out. Reason being, it's a small car. It's a 2-door car and it's a small car. Even though I'm painting the inside, it's still a small car. Okay? Now, if you're going to paint a 4-door car, I'm pretty sure you can make it with 1 gallon. Okay? Because you're still getting a gallon and a half. Why did I buy the extra quart? Just for assurance. That's the only reason. Just in case I need it, I have it. It's better to have it with you and not need it. Because if you don't have it and you need it, and you're already painting, you're gonna mess up. So if you're gonna change the color of the car completely, it's better to buy a gallon and 1 quart. Okay, that's my recommendation. Some painters might say that's too much. Hey, that's the way I've been doing it. I've never messed up. Yeah, I do have some paint left over a little bit. I can use that for some other project. Now, if you're going to paint the same color, well heck, 1 gallon will do it also. Why? Because you're not going to be painting the door jambs, you're not going to be painting the trunk, you're not going to be painting the bed. Okay, now if it's a pickup truck, you are going to need a gallon and 1 quart. You are going to use the entire gallon and quart. Because you got the bed. The bed is a large area that's going to need painted. You are going to need it. Okay, so if it's a full-size pickup truck, let's say a 4-door full-size pickup truck, a gallon and 1 quart will do it complete, inside and out. That's even if you're going to change the color, you'll make it. Another thing is that the clear coat. The clear coat, I don't recommend you using more than 4 coats of clear in a car, on a vehicle. Reason being is that it's gonna get real thick and you're gonna be cracking it. The sun's gonna crack that clear. It's gonna be too thick that it's gonna crack it. I've had that happen to me in the past, like way in the past. So I know that there's no reason for you to be adding 8, 9 coats of clear. I've seen some painters do that. There's no reason for it. Okay, so of clear, you only need 1 gallon. 1 gallon of clear will do it for an entire vehicle, inside and out. I've never used more than 1 gallon, not even if it's a full 4-door pickup truck. I've never used more than 1 gallon, and I've added 4 coats to that paint job. Okay, so how much paint do I need? Answering that question, it's gonna be, you're basically gonna need just 1 gallon. Okay, if you're gonna do a color change, go ahead and buy that quart, that gallon, and 1 more quart. All right, guys, let's just get on to this painting, and hope you enjoy it. This is the 3 coats of base. Now I'm going to start applying the clear. I waited 15 minutes in between coats. Now the clear, I'm going to be applying 4 coats of clear. Waiting 15 minutes in between coats also. So let's just get started. The clear coat I'm going to be using, it's the same one I've been using on the car, on the entire car. So it's going to be the Oh My Clear by Grand 7. Alright guys, let's just get started. There it is, guys. This is after a couple of hours of drying. Came out real nice. So this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. Hope you liked it. And again, if you're not following this build, I'm gonna leave a video card at the end of this this video. All right, guys. Guys, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. And like always, God bless.